In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert shapes in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to enhance your documents with visual aids or simply want to add a creative touch, understanding how to effectively use shapes in Word can be immensely helpful. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document where you want to insert these shapes. Navigating the Word interface to add shapes is simple, yet it unlocks a plethora of possibilities for organizing information visually. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see several tabs like File, Home, and Insert. Click on the Insert tab. This tab is essentially your gateway to adding all kinds of visual elements, not just shapes, to your document. After clicking Insert, look for the section labeled Drawing. This is where all of the options for drawing tools reside, and it's a centralized spot where you can take your document from plain to expressive. Clicking on Drawing will open up additional options that allow you to showcase your creativity within Word. Inside the drawing options, you'll find a variety of tools, but for today's guide, our focus is on the Shape tool. Click on Shapes, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu filled with an array of different shape options. These range from basic shapes like circles and rectangles, to arrows, callouts, and more complex forms. The versatility of these options provides you with the freedom to choose the shape that best fits your intended visual representation. After you've clicked on the shape you want, let's say a rectangle, your cursor will change to a crosshair, indicating that you're ready to draw the shape directly on your document. Click and drag the cursor across the area of your document where you'd like to place the shape. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away, you can easily adjust the size and position later. To adjust your shape, simply click on it. You'll notice handles around the shape that you can click and drag to resize as needed. You can also click and drag the shape itself to position it in the exact spot where you want it. Additionally, Word provides further customization options for styles and colors. When the shape is selected, a new tab will appear called Shape Format, providing you with options to change the fill color, outline, and even add effects like shadow or 3D rotation. Remember, adding shapes can not only make your document more appealing, but can also help convey information more effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add shapes to your documents in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has encouraged you to explore the full range of visual options available in Word to enhance your documents. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy shaping!